1, 2 plus 3, next 4 plus 5 plus 6, and so on. So listen, in 50th bracket first term is dash. In 50th bracket first term equals to how much? First term is dash. That is the question. So in 50th bracket, what is the first term asking the question? So that is question is like this. Option is given like this: 1 2 2 5, 1 2 2 6, 1 3 2 6, 1 4 2 6. This is the question asking. So 1, first term is 1. Second term, sum of two terms, that is 2 plus 3. So 4 plus 5. Listen, in 50th bracket, first term T1. So one term is there. In T1, one term. In second, two terms are there. Now in third, three terms. So right, 49 terms. 49th bracket, we are getting 49 terms. Sum of all, this is 3 terms plus 1, 4 we are getting. Suppose if you want here 7, 8, 9, 10. So here is totally 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Up to here, first term contains 1, second term contains 2 terms, third term contains 3 terms, 49th bracket contains 49 terms. This sum is nothing but 49 into 49 plus 1 by 2. It is nothing but 49 into 50 by 2. This is 25. Understood? So 49, if you multiply by 25, 29 5s 225. So this is 100. 1225. So before 50th bracket, we are having 1, 2, 2, 5 elements are there. Before 50th bracket, 1, 2, 2, 5 elements are there. So now what is the question? So what is the first element? 3 elements plus 1. So now 6 elements plus 1. So first element in 50th bracket, that is 1, 2, 2, 5 plus 1. That is 1, 2, 2, 6. First one is the second one is the correct answer. So let me explain this one. So in first bracket 1 term, second bracket 2 terms, third bracket 3 terms, fourth bracket 4 terms, 49th bracket 49 terms. So how many terms are there? So that is for 1, 2, 2, 5 terms are there. Before 50th bracket, there must be 1, 2, 2, 5 terms are there. That's very important. So 1, 2, 2, 5 terms are there. The first element in 50th bracket is 1, 2, 2, 5 plus 1, 1, 2, 2, 6. This is the way of solving the question. One more typical question is given like this. So question is given like this. So 2 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1 square plus 3 square, 3 into 2 plus 2 square, so and so on. Question is given like this. 20 square plus 20 into 19, 20 into 19 into 19 square, so minus 1. This is the plus 1. Given question is like this. This is the previous elements question. Try to understand the question. So first term is given like this. 2 square, 1 square. This is. Listen. So generally first term contains T1 is like this. This is so 2 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1 square into 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. On multiplying 1, value not change. So this becomes, what is the formula? A square plus B square plus AB into A minus B. It is nothing but the formula I told you previously, that is A cube minus B cube. So on multiplying 2 minus 1, this value is 1. On multiplying 1, value not change. This becomes 2 cube minus 1 cube. Similarly, T2 if you take, so that is 3 square. 3 into 2 plus 2 square into 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Again, this is nothing but 3 cube minus 2 cube. Similarly, T3 is 4 cube minus 3 cube and so on. Last term, this is last term is so 19th term, that is T19 equals to, because 1 square 19 term is that is 20 square, that is 20 cube minus 19 cube. Now what is the given question? Given question is Given question is, so sum of all. First term is 2 cube minus 1 cube. Second term 3 cube minus 2 cube, and so on. 20 cube minus 19 cube plus 1. This is plus 1 is there. Plus 1. So this is cyclic order. This is 2 cube cancel, 3 cube cancel, up to terms here cancel. So this minus 1. This is also 20 cube minus 1 cube plus 1. So this question is minus 1 also cancel. This is 8000. So this is the previous JEE Mains question. Simple logic is, I know the factors of the formula. It's the application of a square plus b square plus ab into a minus b. It is nothing but a cube minus b cube. Indirectly this formula application, a cube minus b cube formula. So that is the question given, previous JEE Mains question. 2 square, 2 into 1, 1 square. 3 square, 3 into 2 plus 2 square, and so on. 20 square, 20 into 19, 19 square, plus 1, total after 1. So this is, T1 is 2 cube minus 1. T2 is 3 cube minus 2 cube. T3 is 4 cube minus 3 cube. So T19 is like this. So given question is 2 cube minus 1 cube, 3 cube minus 2 cube, 19 minus 2 cube plus 1. So this is 20 cube, that is 8000. So 8000 is the correct answer in the given options. So application of the formula most important. So how to apply the formula and its application everywhere is the most important problems. So one more question on based on the simple concepts given like this. So simple question is given like this. So one question is given like this, 1 by 1 into 2, 1 by 2 into 3, and so on. So that is 1 by 2020 into 2021 equals to x by y, x comma y natural numbers, then x plus y equals to dash. This is the question given. So first option is, first option 4040. So this is second option 4041. So 4042 and 4043. This is the question asking in the, this is the application is most important. Here is, what is the logic behind this? 1 can be taken as 2 minus 1 by 1 into 2. So this one can be taken as 3 minus 2 by 2 into 3. So next term 4 minus 3 by 3 into 4, and so on. This one can be taken as 2021 minus 2020, because difference must be only 1. This is 2 1. So 2 by 1 plus that is 2 by 1 into 2 minus 1 by 1 into 2. Understood? Next term 3 by 2 into 3 minus 2 by 2 into 3. Next 4 by 3 into 4 minus 3 by 3 into 4. Last term, if you take 2021 by 2021 into 20 into 2021 minus 2020 by 2020 into 2021. The question is given like this, right? Now, try to understand the concept. Like this is, this 2 cancelling, this is 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. 3 cancelling, 1 by 2 minus 2 cancelling, 1 by 3. 4 cancelling, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So this is 2021 cancelled, 1 by 2020, 1 by 2021. So 1 by 2 cancelled, 1 by 3 cancelled, this one is cancelled. 1 minus 1 by 2021. So if you take this LCM now, 2021 by 2021. So if you take LCM, so that is 21. This is minus 1. LCM, take LCM, minus 1. 2020 by 2021. It is nothing but x by y. Adding these two. So 2020, 2021, 4041. Second is the correct answer. So this is the model way of simplifying the JEE Mains question. Once again, I will explain this question. What is the logic behind that? This is difference of 2, 1 is 1. Difference of 3, 2 is 1. Difference of 2021 comma 2020 is 1. That's the difference. So this one can be taken as 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. So this is the idea. So 2 by 1 into 2, take like this. So this is 1 by 1. This term cancellation, this term cancelling. This one and this one only the remaining. 2021. Understood? So this one minus this one, take LCM. What is the LCM? 2021. So this is 2021 minus 1. 2020 by 2021. So that is x by y. So x, because this is natural number, this is also natural number. It is nothing but 4041. So in this video, so little bit about the typical JEE Mains question. Try to understand these questions, so then we can solve the problems. Thank you.